What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another Amazon home decor haul. Actually, it's an Amazon everything I bought haul. I thought generally I share home decor hauls pretty much monthly here on my channel. I've been slowly swapping out items in my own home just to elevate it and get higher quality products for a long time now. And also I've been working on a couple client projects that I've been sharing pretty much everything that I've purchased along the way. So today I thought not only am I going to share the home decor with you guys, but I'm also going to share other things that I bought, whether that was cleaning items, beauty items, all of it. So without further ado, let's get into this Amazon haul. Okay, so because we pretty much do home decor around here, let's just start with the home decor. Now, the first thing that I got, you guys, I keep talking about my oil painting. I just started oil painting and it has been so much fun, so therapeutic. I absolutely love it. So I have a lot of little canvases that I don't have framed, and I found these little easels on Amazon that I thought, oh my gosh, this is the perfect way to display some of my little oil paintings without having to get them framed, because framing is pricey. So eventually one day I will, and I've been collecting little frames that I can paint for those frames. But I thought this is a nice little way to be able to kind of somewhat display my paintings without having to have a frame for. So I think this one's a little too small, but you get the idea. How cute. I feel like this would also be really good for pictures as well. You could put a framed picture on here, and I loved it. They came in silver, which is what I got, and also in gold, which I do want to get as well. I think it was sold out when I was looking, but how cute are these little easels? I loved those. So that's the first thing that I got. Now, while we're on the topic of oil painting, I also picked up this, I think this said it was like a toothpaste thing, but I got it for my paints so that I can put my paint in here, because paint's expensive too, and really squeeze out all of the paint that I possibly can. Now, I don't want to squeeze any out, but once this gets really low, I can put this on the end, then I can crank this and it will push out all of the paint, or, you know, the least amount of waste as possible. So pick this up, very practical. So I have an Heirloom Recipe Box that I've purchased and shared with you guys. It is quite pricey, I'm not going to lie, but I saw this acrylic one at my friend's house. It actually comes with the cards and everything. And I personally would probably swap out the cards because I don't love the ones that they came with. But I also got these cards from Amazon. Oh, they're too big, so you might have to use these cards or get some smaller ones. But what I thought was super cool is that this one, you can take your recipe card and put it right here. So when you're doing all your cooking, you can have it right here, or, you know, you can put it on an easel, or, you know, whatever. But I thought that that was brilliant and thought that this was perfect for a little holiday gift or for one of my clients' homes. So I picked up this little acrylic recipe box and I thought it was really cute. Another item that was inspired by one of my clients' homes are these little horn bowls. I got some horn bowls for a client's home and thought that these would be really pretty in there as well. Now, I have to be honest, these I believe I'm going to return because they're not the tones that I was looking for. But I know that a lot of you guys liked those horn bowls, so I thought I would share these ones with you as well. This one has a little gold rim, and I love these for like a bar space. I think that they make it look so elevated and just so beautiful. So got those. I have been on a sophisticated home and fashion kick for like the past month now, and I just really love that Ralph Lauren, just very elevated, very timeless look lately. So when I saw this on Amazon, I just thought, oh my gosh, this feels so Ralph Lauren to me and just so elevated. And I thought it was the perfect piece to add to a masculine space. I could put a couple bottles of liquor in here, or you can use it for really anything, but that was my vision, is just to kind of dress this up as like a little cocktail tray. And I loved it. I thought it was so beautiful. I love the little horn detail. I just thought it was really, really pretty for an elevated kind of like bar space. I don't know what it is about trays, but they are so pricey. So I was on the hunt for a good tray and I wanted it to be really, really affordable, and I found it, but it also really looks affordable. So I got this tray here. It is super, super thin, and it does kind of, if you are touching it, it does feel a little cheap. However, I think it really is a nice little tray. You want that look. I definitely think it is amazing for that. However, like I said, when you're touching it, the quality isn't the best, but the look is great. Now, two dishes that we make around the holidays is pear pie and pumpkin pie cheesecake. And I don't know why I don't have a pie cutter. I just have never purchased one. I'm not sure why I don't have one. So when I saw these on Amazon, I just thought, okay, I need these. Now, the only thing that bothers me about these is that the handles don't totally match, but I feel like these are just so pretty to add to my home, and it's gonna be so nice to have a pie cutter and spatula for our pies this holiday season. I don't know, I can't remember if I shared this Picasso book with you guys. I absolutely love it. It's the sculpture book. But lately, I have been putting this book on my collages, and then I finally purchased it. I just feel like this book, just this cover, looks like an art piece itself. So I thought it was beautiful. Normally, a lot of the times I take the covers off, but with this book, I don't think I will, because this looks like an oil painting sitting in my house, and it's just absolutely beautiful. I loved this book. I even like the tones of it. I feel like it looks really good with neutrals, and just thought this was the perfect book to add to our space. In my fall home decor haul, I shared a couple of kitchen towels, and I found that this is pretty much the exact same thing, other than it not having the stripes on the inside. Mine have stripes as this detail, where this one's just plain, but the texture, the print on this side, it is all the same. It comes in a set of 2 with 1 stripe, 1 squares, and I just love these towels. They are some of the best towels that I have ever used. I love them. Like when I'm drying my hands, they're super absorbent. However, my husband feels like when he's drying dishes, he doesn't think that they're that absorbent, which is kind of funny because I feel like they really are. But I love them. I think that the quality is super nice. The texture of them looks really, really nice and high, like inexpensive towel. I think they're also really good for when you're baking like bread or anything you want to cover them up, or if you are at Thanksgiving and you just need to wrap up your warm rolls. They are the perfect towel for that. They're just, I love them. I love them. How cute are these? Okay, I almost wasn't gonna share these because they're already sold out. I shared these on Instagram and you guys sold them out in a second. But I got these spoons here. Now, I would say if you have Instagram, make sure you're following me, because I try to update you. I can't get them in focus. I try to update you as soon as I notice when items come back in stock, or when I find new items that I'm really excited about. I do that over on Instagram and also my Like to Know It. So make sure you're following me there. Next, as far as home purchases, I got Scrub Daddies. Now these are the best sponges. I remember years ago, Zach and I saw these on Shark Tank, and we have been buying them ever since. And lately, I've noticed they have just kind of popped off over on TikTok, but they really are the best sponge we've ever used. I like to get these ones because they're neutral. A lot of the Scrub Daddies are in bright colors. Right now, I bought the Halloween ones that have like a Freddy Krueger, a pumpkin, or jack-o'-lantern, and a ghost. And the ghosts, they're so cute, but they're bright colors. And I just like to keep things just calm and, serene and just kind of cozy in my home and not super bright. So I got these ones. I love them. What I really love about these is that when you run them under cold water, the sponge gets hard so you can kind of scrub things. And then when you run it under hot water, it gets soft and is just like, they're just amazing. If you haven't tried Scrub Daddy sponges yet, you have to get them. They are a game changer. I promise you, they're amazing. I also picked up some spray bottles. My idea for these were to start putting some of our everyday items that we use, like disinfectant spray for the countertops, and really just make everything just clean and organized and aesthetically pleasing in our home. I saw these, I got these, and I absolutely love them. They do come with labels, but I would probably order some labels off of Etsy that are a little prettier and that I can just, that match kind of the rest of my vibe in home decor instead of like my handwriting on the jar. But I love them. I think that they are going to be amazing as far as like having that overall aesthetic and look, whether it's inside the cabinets or out. Another home item that I purchased was this little brush here. I have purchased some other ones over on Amazon as well, but what I liked about this one is that it turns and you can really get in those corners when you're cleaning your space. So I'm super excited about this one. I will link the other ones that I purchased as well because I do like them, but I just felt like this one is going to be so much easier to get in the little corners. I've been obsessed with TikTok cleaning videos. I could just watch them forever, and I buy a lot of what they recommend, and that was one that someone recommended over on TikTok, and I'm super excited about this. We are in an apartment, meaning we rent, and I want to be able to kind of fill the holes that I've made in the walls for hanging pictures and things like that. So I learned about this fill stick, and hopefully it's the right color because our apartment actually has gray walls and white doors, and that might be a little challenging to, I was just gonna get the white fill stick, but obviously with the gray walls, I wanted to try to match it the best I could. So I found this one, it's a little gray, and we'll see how it works. We'll see if it does work, but I just think this is super cool because if you have a hole, you just kind of rub it in and it fills the hole, and then you're good to go. I originally got these as a gift. I thought about putting together a little housewarming gift or host gift with a towel. You wrap it up, you make it cute, you can add little soap in here. However, I think I might keep these because they are the full silicone. So the ones that I have from Williams-Sonoma, they have a stop and then it's a wood handle. I have had a couple of those break on me, and they're pricey. So every time they break, I'm like, no, I hate that. Found these super affordable on Amazon, but also I love that they are like all one and that they won't break. So I think I might be keeping these. Then I'll have to order a second set for the gift. Next, I got these little jars. They come in a set of 3, but I'm trying to revamp our bathroom space and just, again, make things just feel super organized, like almost like a professional came in and organized and swapped out all of our Costco bottles of, you know, different vitamins and things that we take, like all the, you know? So I thought I would put them in these and really make it look super beautiful and like those Pinterest pictures and just gorgeous. So I got one set to start. It comes with this size here, which I thought was perfect for, you know, your ibuprofens or things that you might use that could fit in this smaller bottle. But then it also came with 2 larger bottles as well. So you could put like your cotton balls in here, or even like your bath salts, things like that. This big one could be good for. Or if you know, shop at Costco and you get one of those big bottles of, you know, whether that's headache medicine or vitamins, whatever, it could fit in here. And then a little medium size. One more home item before we move on to some beauty items is some transparent sticky notes. I think that these are so much better than the yellow sticky notes that we had before. I love them. Now, I have to say, my husband doesn't love these. He thinks they're a little bit harder to write on. I like them. I use a Sharpie on them. I think that they're great, but we're kind of like a house divided on these ones. Moving on to the beauty items that I got, I re-upped on this Whey Detox shampoo. This is the best detox shampoo that I have ever used. I already started using it. It smells amazing, and it gets every single bit of any hair product that I have in my hair. And then I've been using the K18. You guys know I have been on a hair journey. I had my hair breaking off right here, and it's finally growing out, and it's feeling a bit more healthy for bleaching it. This, I feel like, is such a big part of the reason why my hair is getting so so healthy because it's really getting all that buildup out of my hair. So when I'm styling my hair, it's not just build up, and then I'm, you know, curling on top of that. I've been really trying to make sure I clean my hair really, really well and more often, because I think really what broke my hair off, aside from bleaching it, is the product that built up on it. So I love this stuff. It's the best. I love it. Next is the Whey Scalp Serum. Now I use the scalp serum from Kerastase. Is that the brand? I cannot remember the brand at the moment. I'll put it on the screen if that was wrong. And I loved it, but I never did repurchase it. Instead, I got this one and thought I would give this one a try because I liked that one so much. So let me know if you guys have tried the Whey Scalp Serum and your thoughts on it. I haven't yet used it, but I'm excited to give it a try. Next, I got a whole pack of these little clips right here. Now, I had those really cute ones a while ago, but they kept pulling my hair and breaking my hair. So I thought, okay, I need some big ones that I can just pull my hair back, do my makeup, do my face stuff, and that is not going to pull my hair out when I pull them out. So I got a whole pack of these. They were super affordable and they're amazing. I also sometimes, like if I'm cooking, I like to just wrap my hair up and just stick a clip in there. So they're just, clips are a must. Also, speaking of clips, I got these as well. I just really liked the print. I thought that they were fun and a little bit different, and a way to just add a little bit of detail to my outfit. So I picked these up as well. I love Dry Bar products. They are some of the best smelling products I have ever tried. Every time I use their products, my husband's always like, dang, you smell good. I also had a bride one time ask me what perfume I was wearing because I smelled so good, and then I realized it was the Detox Dry Shampoo from Dry Bar. It is so good, and it's a really good dry shampoo. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little pricey, but it makes you smell so good. Oh, it's so good. So this is a dry shampoo. And then I decided to try their Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Spray. It's all right. I feel like it leaves a little bit of a residue on my hair that kind of weighs it down. So I'm not sure that I'm like obsessed with this one, but it's all right. It's all right. Next, I got the La Roche Tinted Mineral Face SPF. I haven't tried this yet. I'm excited to try it because I feel like sometimes it's nice to have a little bit of coverage at the pool. A lot of the times I go with my makeup on, but for the days that I just want a little bit of coverage, but also protection like SPF, I thought this would be perfect. I'm super excited to try it, and for vacation. So let me know. Have you tried this? I haven't yet, but I'll keep you guys updated. I repurchased the Liliana Eye Cream. Now, this thing got a little smaller. Last time I got it, it was like a big, like it was a lot bigger. This eye cream, I don't know if you guys, did you see that TikTok where the girl, she said that she put the eye cream on the back of her hand, did her eye stuff, and then like 15 years later or something crazy like that, she noticed a difference from the hand that she put the eye cream on versus the one that didn't have eye cream on it. Because she said after she would do her under eyes, she just would rub it into her hand. Well, it was this eye cream, and let me tell you, I went on Amazon that second and bought this eye cream. I've already gone through a whole tube of this already, and then I repurchased it. I went through a couple other eye creams before repurchasing it, but I feel like it's such a nice eye cream for the price, but I don't know if I can say that anymore because the packaging shrunk. It's still a good eye cream though. All right, you guys, and that is everything that I purchased from Amazon recently. I thought that this was a fun way just to show you guys more of what I buy, not just home decor, but other things that I buy on Amazon. I'm constantly on Amazon, which I know so many of you guys are as well. You love these videos. So let me know, what have you purchased on Amazon lately that you are loving? What do I need to buy? Leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in a couple days with another. Bye.